Morning guys, 12th of December. I'm going to Roxas City today with Nanay and Mrs. C. Good morning, Rocky the Rooster. This is the transport for the day guys. I've traded in a Range Rover for a tuk-tuk. We're going on a little Honda 155 tuk-tuk Tricycle. I'm going to try and get inside. It's going to be a bit of a tight squeeze. We'll let Mrs. C get in first. He looks like good. I'm in, and it's tight. There's a driver for the day. Hello, what's your name, boss? Driver for the day. Just waiting for Nanay to come. She's got to squeeze in here with me, and then we're on our way. This is going to be an experience. It's a very rough road. I've got hardly any headroom. I'm here with Nay. My God. Yeah, the tension is on the back. Good hand. Number one driver. Just on the bumpy road at the moment. But now we're good.
Sama-sama kapit-bisig sa laban, pamamahal sa isa't isa, yan ang sandigan. Bayan ko, sama-sama lumalaban at kaisa, sa hirap at ginhawa, tayo'y magkakapit-isip, di maghiwalay pa. Bayan ko, sama-sama ba tayo isa? Bayan ko, pag-asa.
Not far to go, about 40 minutes. 15 minutes into the ride guys, still alive. It's crazy roads, not as crazy as Manila, but crazy all the same. we've arrived. We arrived safe. Hey, I need to get out of this thing now.
Be careful.
Be careful. Say goodbye, you two. Thanks, Arnold. Oh, man. I feel like a gorilla in a bloody phone box. But Arnold has done us proud there. Okay. Salamat po. This is Roxas.
Because it's before when the come is Sunday, it's not busy,
Oh, we're looking at glasses. We're going for glasses. Well, very busy place, Roxas. Much busier than Mali. Very lively. Looks like we've got a driver for the day today. I've talked to Ascension to get a set of glasses herself as well while she's here, because she always says she doesn't need them, but she does. Roxas is a bit busier today, guys. Much busier than Sunday when we passed through. Sunday was quiet. Today's a little more busy. It's bustling little town. Plenty going on. There's our man again, driver. Turning his tricycle around for when we leave. His little Honda TMX 155. So much happening here. It's actually quite funny, guys. Ascension and Mum trying the new glasses out. I think she's going to get some retransitions. Kahit mabagal, di susuko kailanman. Sa gitna ng unos, tayo'y magtatagumpay. Hi guys, I'm actually really glad that I got my eyes tested while I was there. It turns out Ascension definitely needed glasses, Mum definitely needed glasses, and I definitely needed glasses. My eyes were much worse long distance than I realised. So all of us have had new glasses fitted, and they'll take 6 to 8 days to arrive to be made. We're having transition lenses. It's come to quite a bit of money, but it's worth it, and they're all photochromic, so they go dark like sunglasses when it's sunny. So that was an expensive trip to the opticians, guys. At the moment, we're looking for wardrobes. I'm hoping we got enough money to buy these. We've just been wiped out at the opticians. I'm going to have a smoke outside while we're over. Yeah, busy day, guys. Tricycles everywhere. Roxas City. Quite warm today, not too bad. It's going to rain later though. It's looking a bit dark up there. Knowing my luck, we'll still be on the tricycle when it rains. So, Ascension's gone to Mr. Donut now. She's getting donuts. Mr. Donut. Mum's favourite donuts. Okay. So we're treating Mum to some of our favourite donuts. It's getting warmer, guys, but it is winter in the Philippines. Hope you're enjoying the vlogs, because we're enjoying having you along with us. It's a lot different to what I'm normally experiencing within the UK. It's the first time for me in the Philippines. I'm really loving it. The people here are so nice, so friendly. Really happy people. Even though people don't have a lot here, they're still happy. Very respectful, very polite, and they deserve respect and politeness in return. Right, time to cross the road. Ascension's got the donuts. Crossing, boy. Thank you, Bob. Thank you, Bob. We're loading up the tricycle. I've got to squeeze myself back into this little thing again now. This is going to be fun. On the tricycle. I've got to keep my head bowed while I'm in here. There's plenty going on. Definitely an experience, guys. Ah, dear. You okay, Nana? Yeah, Nana is good. I'm trying not to squash it, so I can't really sit back in the seat, and I've got to keep my head to one side. I can smell fish. We're near the wet market. This is something to experience, guys. Asia. Just another foreigner in Asia. So many. Wow. Squeeze myself out of this thing again. It's okay for Nana, it's just quite small. Not for me. Right, we're going fish market now. There we go again. Time for the wet market. Plenty of fruits, vegetables, very fresh, very nice. Very nice. Multicolored sweet corn again. It's a big market. Bananas, fruits. Uh-oh. Ascension's trashing the place already. But mum's after this week going. Nana is leading the way. She's an old expert on these markets. She's looking for all the bargains, all the good stuff. Plenty of nice bananas. I'm not sure how many different types of banana there are in the Philippines. There's a lot of them. Small ones, big ones,
124.
green ones. Hello, sir.
Bit ang panalangin, tahimik pero buong dangal, tahak sa palengke. Sa bukid
Definitely an experience.
pagod man ang katawan, puso'y di sumusuko.
Following the girls again.
Sa bawat
Don't know exactly where they're going.
tayo'y bumabangon, may lakas sa alaala ng tahanang puno ng
Long beans.
Lakbay ng pag-asa, dalhin mo ang liwanag. Kahit madilim ang daan, bibitaw sa
Yeah, yeah. I'm fine. Just following along.
kahit sindatan. Sa bawat hakbang, saysay
All this nice fresh vegetable. Very good. Okay.
sa tabi ng ilog, may batang
What are these, babe?
Aubergine.
These are aubergines.
Yeah, this aubergine.
Ah, I only see those in the UK, these aubergines. They're different.
ng distansya. Hindi lang ito tungkol sa
Mum and daughter out shopping together.
sa dapat
Ano naman sa kilo?
na mamuhay kahit may problema.
Hello, ma'am.
Sa saliw ng hangin, sa tibok ng isla, tinig nagsasabi
Have the long beans.
pag-asa, dalhin mo ang liwanag. Kahit madilim ang daan, bibitaw sa puno. Ang puso ng Pilipino, kahit sugatan. Sa bawat habang,
Market life.
saysay ang nilalabang. Halagay sa gitna ng dilim. Lalaban
Looking at more veggies. Mum's the expert on these. Aubergine.
Ha? Wala kayong sili? Wala.
Sa dilim ng gabi, ngunit sa puso ko'y may apoy na di mawawala. Bagong kwento ang sisimulan, muling buksan ang aklan. Ito'y pag-asa, muling buksan ang aklan ng buhay. Huwag matakot sa simulan, sa bawat pagkalan. Sugat ay tatapain ka.
As usual, I need a cigarette. So I'm going to leave the girls shopping while I take a look what else is in the market. There's loads and loads of vegetables. Fresh ginger, garlic, potatoes, fresh fish. Very good. Milkfish, meat, milkfish, aguista, baboy, manok. All good stuff. All good stuff. Fresh fish. Very nice. Go and find the driver again. No, he's around here somewhere. Market life. There's the man. Say hi to YouTube, sir. Hello. Hello. I have them. Thank you. Well, back in the phone box again, guys. I'm crushed. There's so many people you can get on a tricycle. Nano in the middle. Me, Ascension, and the driver. This is good fun. This is all good fun. Oh, that's pretty. It's a Christmas nativity. I think it's the Christmas village. That's nice. And the big wheel. It's definitely a thriving city here, guys. A lot going on. Big market, like you just said. A lot of shops. A lot of people. A lot of scooters. There's a lot of electric bikes around as well. Like the one we got for Mum. There's so many tricycles. It's definitely the easy way to get around in the Philippines is by tricycle. I think I've got to survive about 15 minutes, 20 minutes of this squashed up. But that's okay. We can manage. Definitely glad I went to the opticians today to sort out nice glasses. And essentially got myself a pair of glasses. I didn't realise just how bad my eyes were getting. I thought I could see a long way forward, but I couldn't. When she put the glasses on me, it just proved the point. It's nice now we're moving on the tricycle, get a nice cool breeze. Click, click. There's a lot of them around here. getting a lot colder now. Well, we're back in Laoag, guys. Not far away from Mum's house. That's one of the local schools. Elementary. And all you see around here is rice fields. This is Laoag Centre now. We normally do a left-hand turn here. It takes us down to San Jose Norte 1. This is Laoag. Not as big as Roxas. Mum wants to stop off somewhere. Apparently we're looking for paint. The Centre's looking for paint for the bedroom, so guess what we're going to be doing for the next day or so? Yep, painting the bedroom, guys. Here we are in Laoag. Our local, biggish town. So San Jose Norte is that way over the bridge.
What paint color you want?
I don't know, babe. What colour have they got?
What color what you have?
Let's find out. Let's go. Well, we went to one place, but then we found another place. I'll cross over. Just over the road.
It's better to come in now with Tricycle because you can come in e-bike here.
No. Still Laoag, babe. But it's the highway, isn't it?
It's the highway, you can.
Yeah. We're going to have a look at the paint centre in a minute.
Yeah.
Definitely an experience today, guys. Here comes the police here. Police. Laoag PD. Bloody hell, he's loaded up. He's got loads on his scooter. Yeah, that's a delivery. Right, here we are. GT Princess Hardware and Paint Centre. Plenty of paint here, guys. I think we've come to the right place. Full of paint, plenty. Every type of paint. Got rollers up there. They can mix the paint to any colour. Plenty of paint. Ascension's cleaning up shop already, look. It's only been here 5 minutes. Yeah. Plenty of stock. Back on the scooter again, guys. Back in San Jose Norte. So you can see around here, just rice. Everywhere you look, just rice. To the mountains and rice. Very quiet town. Not very big. A lot of farming here. People are hard working.
sa mata ng magtataho, may pangarap na matipid. Kali ang eskwela, wala ng guro, ngunit sa puso niya may apoy na totoo.
The house of Joey. Blue house.
Sa bawat kanto, may dusa at galak. Ang buhay ay alon, minsan taas, minsan bagsak. Sa bawat hakbang, may dasal na pitpit. Sa hangin ng gabi, umaasang sasapit. Ang araw ng ginhawa, di man na yun. Tiwala'y tulay sa ating hamon.
Home sweet home.
May tatang sa bangka, nagsasalok ng liwanag.
Ooh.
Kahit ang dagat ay galit, siya'y may tapang na sapat. May batang mga ngalakal, may ngiti
Oh, yeah.
payapa. Sa gitna ng hirap, siya'y may
Hi.
sariling pag-asa. Di lahat ng bituin ay nasa langit, minsan nasa lupa. Sa pawis
Okay.
na pumapatak, ang simpleng kamusta ay ginto sa
Somebody's happy to see us.
At ang bayanihan di naubos, di nalalaos. Sa bawat hakbang, may dasal na bitbit. Sa hangin ng gabi, sa hangin ng
Hello.
gabi, umaasang sasapit. Ang araw ng ginhawa, di man na yun.
A kangaroo cat.
Tulay sa
He's got deformed front paws, but he still gets about.
hakbang. Huwag susuko, bawat tibok
There he goes.
Pilipino taas noon.
That's it. Miraculously, I survived a tricycle ride.